Hello friends, welcome back to the US Stocks GPS channel. It's the aftermarket session on September 26th. Today, all four major indexes moved higher. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000 small caps all closed in the green, bouncing back after 3 straight down days. Traditional value sectors like utilities led the rally. The latest PCE inflation data came in right on target. Core PCE rose just 0.2% MOM, exactly as expected, and the YoY number held steady at 2.9%. No sign of inflation re-accelerating, which reassured investors that the Fed doesn't need to turn hawkish right away. Markets are still pricing in room for at least one more small rate cut this year. Treasury yields edge lower, especially the 2-year and 10-year, showing investors see inflation as under control. The dollar weakened a bit, and precious metals, especially silver and gold, moved higher. SLV surged as lower real yields and a softer dollar boosted demand for hedges. Outside of consumer staples, tech, and communication services, almost every sector rallied. Utilities were the top performer, followed by consumer discretionary, healthcare, materials, real estate, and industrials. The logic is simple. With PCE confirming inflation is manageable, rate-sensitive cyclical sectors get a lift from lower financing costs and improved demand expectations. Healthcare also benefited as a defensive plus growth play, while utilities drew extra attention from the rising power needs of AI data centers. Meanwhile, money rotated out of pricey growth stocks into steadier value names with dividends. Sector ETFs. SLV Silver ETF jumped 2.02% on heavy volume. Silver has broken out to a 14-year high, up more than 20% since late August. It still looks addable, maybe increase by around 10% of your allocation. VNQ, Real Estate ETF, rose about 1% with volume. A 10% position looks reasonable. VCR, Consumer Discretionary ETF, gained 1.45%. Stronger than VNQ, still buyable, another 10% allocation. VHT, Healthcare ETF, rose 1.16% with volume, but the chart is weaker. Price is still under the 200-day and short-term moving averages. Better to wait for momentum before entering. OIH, Oil Services ETF, rose 1.81% on volume. Price now above the 200-day. With bullish moving average alignment, you could build a 10-20% position. Stocks. Intel, INTC, rallied 4.44% on big volume. It's already up more than 40% in the short term, far ahead of the market and peers. Heavy trading suggests hot money is involved, which means profit-taking pressure is real. Watch for a pullback before adding. First Energy, FE, climbed 2.69% on strong volume. You could build up to a 20% allocation. Ford F gained after announcing a $30,000 electric pickup on its new universal EV platform due in 2027. The low price point and streamlined design boost profit outlook, and the $2 billion Kentucky plant upgrade fits U.S. policy incentives. But execution and battery costs remain risks. Still, the announcement boosted confidence worth a 10-20% allocation. Devon Energy DVN rose 3.44%. A 10% allocation looks reasonable. Ivanhoe Electric, IE, rallied on copper strength after Freeport-McMoRan supply disruption. IE also secured new exploration licenses with Saudi partners and advanced its Santa Cruz project. Strong volume and breakout attracted momentum funds. Still room to add small positions. Oracle, ORC, dropped 2.7% after Redburn downgraded to sell, with a $175 target, warning cloud growth optimism is overdone. With prior gains, investors took profits. Policy uncertainty around TikTok also adds caution. Swing traders should trim. Tesla, Wedbush hiked its price target to $600, citing long-term AI and robotaxi potential. That boosted sentiment. Technically, Tesla is in a consolidation range. A breakout signals buy. A breakdown means cut. Wrap up. Overall, today's rebound shows continuity. Inflation data came in mild but not disappointing, giving investors confidence. Value and rate-sensitive sectors led, while money rotated out of pricey tech into more stable plays. Still, caution remains. If future data weakens or inflation surprises higher, the rally may be short-lived. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.